Hi everyone, this is Daniella from Estelle & Weil, and I'm back with another one of these little not craft boxes, a DIY box from Krafika. And I think I would like it to be something that is in spring pink, but we never know. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so it wasn't a pink thing, I believe, but it's kind of nice though, whatever it is. See? They're tricking us with the pink stuff around here. I think it's just a necklace here and earrings. All right, let's see what it is. See what we've got. Pins, a beautiful color tassel. It's like a purple color. Very nice. I'm not going to take them out of the bags, as you know, because you need the bags and the numbers on the bags when you are assembling this. So I'm not going to do that. Okay, and we have split ring, earring things there. Oh, and 1, 2, 3, 4 turquoise tassels. We have, what is this? This is what is it called? It's a table cut bead in like a purple bronzish color. You see? It's nice. I wonder what we're gonna use it for. Okay, something wrong with the light here, I think. Is it? Okay, never mind. And we have done. This is a lobster clasp. We have, what is this called? These are kind of a bugle bead type of thing, and in beige travertine, I'd say. Is it beige? Topaz beige travertine. Sounds better. Okay, kind of nice. I think they are nice. I'm gonna put them over here so I don't lose them, because I know I will if I'm going to put them back in the bag. And then we have a piece of wire. Good. And we have more of these. Oh, look at the color. Gorgeous color. Turquoise with sort of like a golden brown edge. Look. Very nice. Wow. I'm gonna put them here. No, I'm gonna put them back in the bag, actually. They are so big, so I can put them back. Okay. We have oh, there are a lot of these. Two absolutely tiny, I think these are 4 millimeters. Can you see? Okay, they are turquoise and a bronze color, Czech faceted, fire polished too. Okay, and these are a different kind of turquoise. I think these are more like green type of turquoise color, like this. I mean, as opposed to these. You see the difference, but this is kind of cool. This is a green turquoise color with the same type of edge. It's like I don't know if it's called Picasso. I think it's Picasso color edge. It's very nice. Anyhow, came from this bag, I think. Okay, they are so tiny, these bags. They're hard to both open and put things back in. There's another color of these table cut beads. I don't know, I've called these window beads, but maybe they are not window beads. This is a purple color. They're very nice, with the same edge. Okay, cool. It's going to be nice, I think, whatever we're going to make a necklace. And then we have some, what is this? Oh, Okay, these are bales, super tiny bales. You see that you can hang these beads from or something. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and this is a couple of round silver spacers, maybe. See? Okay, and then we have, oh, these are nice. They're also this kind of a purple color table cut beads with I don't know, this was called etched, no, carved maybe. I think these are called carved table cut beads, and it kind of looks like, you know, like a druzy agate or a fossil thing, but the color is really, really nice, and the edge is nice too. Cool. I'm gonna have to order some of these beads. Very nice. And the good thing is that the product code is always listed on the bag, so you can just go to their website and type in the number, and you boop, it comes up. Very good. And here we have, what is this? 2 super tiny, maybe 4, I think, or maybe 3 millimeter. I think they are fire polished. They're kind of pink with like a bronze type of pattern on. Super small, very cute. And then we have 2 large one of these turquoise table cut beads. Oh, they're so beautiful. Look at this. Very nice. Okay, so then we have, what is this? Eye pins. And oh God, what is this? I think these are crimp beads. 4 little crimp beads. See? And then the last bag is 2 of the same type of table cut beads that these turquoise, but these are in purple. And this is really a really nice color. I have to go check these out. All right, so this was it in this little box, and I'm at the end of this video. I will show you what came out of it, what I made. All right, so I see you soon. Bye. Well, hello again and welcome back. Now I have finished the 2 project pieces in this month's box, and what I have left is this. I have 2 pieces of these table cut beads, the turquoise long ones. Okay, and one is broken, and it wasn't drilled through, so I had to try and open it with an awl. It didn't work, so it cracked. These 2, and I have 2 of the bugle beads left, and I have 2 crimp beads and a silver spacer. So that's not much compared to last month. You remember the big sort of the same type of bead as these, but larger, and they were black. They were also not drilled through, so I couldn't use them. So I had to alter the pattern a little bit because of this. All right. So this is the first one here is the necklace, and I think it turned out really nice. I think it turned out really nice. Tassels are not exactly my thing, but I don't know, I like it. I changed also the pattern here. It was supposed to have a purple tassel here and a green tassel there, but I thought it kind of looked a little bit, you know, busy, so I changed that. And up here, there's where we should have had this bead, but since the other one was broken, I took them away. And up here we have the I think they are 7 millimeter brown white Picasso bugle beads. They are very nice, I think. And I finished the necklace with a regular clasp and the split ring. I should prefer if this was not a split ring but closed jump ring, because the ends of this here, it kind of sticks into your neck. It's not that comfortable, but it turned out nice, I think. Okay, and then the earrings to go with it. Oops, and they are cute. I think these are very cute. Look at that. Nice and springy turquoise colored earrings. Very nice. Like this. And the bead that we have here is very nice. I think it's a 4mm fire polished turquoise Picasso with a kind of like a green type of Picasso finish. I don't know if you can see it. It's really, really cute. And these beads, they are beautiful, beautiful. They are also table cut Picasso, and the color is not exactly turquoise. It's more like an sky blue or aqua blue. Cool. And the sides here are I don't know, green Picasso finish. It's very nice. And of course, this will also be up on our website, estelleweil.com, in just a few days. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.